Hi, are you a homeowner or general contractor that needs glass on your next project? My name is Lino Consulta, the owner of E&D Glass Innovation Incorporated. Our expertise is working on glass installation services such as glass railing, custom glass shower installation, mirrors for your gym, home, and bathroom, and window glass replacement. We are here to help you to get your project done through our expertise. We can share our knowledge and our workmanship for you to be able to meet your needs. We are making sure that our quality is the best and you will be satisfied with our work. We are uploading new videos every week about our works and ideas that you can copy on your next project. If you want to see more about us, please consider subscribing to our channel for updates for our project and be the first to know what is happening in the construction and